Hey mini artist, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to draw a pizza roll. Pizza! Now who doesn't like pizza? Come on. Alright, so pick up your pen or pencils and follow me along. We are going to draw this pizza roll in a triangle format, just like this, and something at the top. But we are going to give it a little bit of wave or form, as it's a happy pizza roll and there's a lot of melting cheese that's coming off of it. Alright, so let's begin. To start with, we are going to draw the crust first. So let's begin by drawing an arced line, just like this. And since we are going to draw the pizza roll on this side, like it's looking this way, we have to draw the crust. We have to draw the crust on this side more than this side, meaning on this side there will not be, you cannot see the other edge of crust, but on this side you can actually see the edge. And what does that mean? It means something like this. So this is a normal sphere, or you could actually make it look like a bean, however you like it. And on the top side, we are going to draw some wavy lines and connect these two together. And while you're at it, you could add some lines to it, just like this, like that, like this, and like this. Like that. Now, when it comes to the body of the pizza, once again, we are drawing it facing this way. So on this side, we have to draw one line, and on this side, we have to draw two lines, since you can see the depth of pizza. So let's draw some wavy lines coming down to the bottom, from top to bottom. Something like this. Go slow, don't rush it. And then at the very end of it, since the cheese is melting off the pizza, you can make it look a bit like this. And let's draw the other side, this edge. Now in between, you can draw some droopy cheese. For example, you can draw it like this. It's coming off the pizza, but just make sure that you connect it back to the line. So if this was going underneath this melting cheese, it would come off from here. It will continue go to the top. Now once again, since we are drawing it this way, we have to make sure that there are two lines coming off on this side. So you can see that the pizza has a little bit of depth. And what we can do for this, we can continue it. And continue the droopy line and connect it back to this cheese part. Alright, perfect. Now we have done the body. Now let's do the eyes first, because eyes are the most important part. We can switch to a finer detailed pen or pencil, and let's draw the eyes on this angle and on this line. Let's draw them big and let's draw them round. And we are gonna leave 2 circles in here and another one up here like this. And you can black out the rest of it. Just make sure that the white parts remain as big as you drew them. This, and let's draw the eyelashes of this part, this eye as well. Make them nice and thick so they stand out. And there you go, those are the eyes. Now let's do the nose and mouth. So for the nose, we are gonna go with a normal looking bean, something like this. And for the mouth, we can draw it like this. A happy mouth that's laughing. So if it's laughing, let's connect it like this. Make a half circle and connect these 2 lines together. And it's gonna be his tongue. And there you go. Now, since the eyes and the nose are a little bit too dark, so they stand out, we have to make sure that the thickness of these lines kind of match the blackness of these. There you go. Looks very cute. Now it's the time for the other parts of it. So what we're gonna do is that we are gonna draw a pepperoni pizza. So we are going to draw some pepperoni on top of this pizza. Now pepperoni is a circle in real life. So you can either draw a circle or you can draw some beans, but just make sure that just like this part of the pizza, you could see the depth of them from this angle, from the left angle. Something like that, and like this. So that's 2. Let's draw another one over here in this area. So let's go like this and like this. Perfect. Now for the last part of it, we are going to draw some peppers, some green and red peppers on top. So for the peppers, you could draw them like cubes, small cubes of pepper, like this. And once again, make sure that these cubes are 3D dimensional and you can see them. You can see the depth of them from this angle. So let's draw another one over here. this. Another one over here. Like this. And maybe one over here. There you go. There you have it. This is our slice of pizza. And since it's a lovely pizza, we are going to finish drawing it by giving it a little bit of love. Alright guys, this is our pizza roll. Hope you guys had fun and followed me along. Leave a thumbs if you liked the video and leave a subs if you loved the video. Thank you guys and see you guys next time.